Hi guys! So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this big curls. Yan. Alam nyo, mas madali itong gawin, or baka sa buhok ko lang, mas madali itong gawin for me compared sa pagsa-straight. Siguro mga 10 minutes kung hindi ako nagdadakdak or hindi ako hindi ako conscious na may video. Ang bilis ko lang na ito gawin, mga 10 minutes tapos na. So if you wanna know how to achieve these curls, just keep watching.
Okay, so simulan na natin ang pag-iinerte, and all you need is a clamp or panale and a brush or suklay. Then, you need to divide your hair into two sa likod and follow the natural line of your hair sa harap, just like what I'm doing. Then after that, grab one side of your hair, divide it into two again, and itaas niyo muna yung other half dahil yung baba muna yung kukulutin natin. This is just an extra step dahil maate ako. So, ang ginagawa ko, ini-straighten ko muna yung mga hairs na malapit sa mukha ko or malapit sa anit ko para magmukha siyang bagsak kahit papano. Then after that, kuha lang kayo ng small segment ng hair nyo, clamp the plancha, and twist it palabas sa frame ng mukha nyo, just like what I'm doing. And then pull it hanggang dun sa dulo ng buhok nyo, twist, and make sure to clamp it for at least mga 3 to 5 seconds, and voila! Diba? May kulot ka na. And you just need to repeat the same steps all over, katulad niyang ginagawa ko. So, clamp, twist, pull, clamp again for 3 to 5 seconds, and release. O, diba? Mamaya magiging maganda yan. Maniwala lang kayo sa proseso. So, after working on the lower section, let's do the upper section of the hair. Now, dun sa mga buhok na malapit sa frame ng face nyo, brush it forward, and then paplansyahin nyo siya paharap para magkaroon siya ng volume. Kasi pag pa-side nyo siya, pinlansya, babagsak lang yun dun sa natural side ng face nyo. Mas magiging flat siya tignan. So, you will just have to repeat the same steps doon sa lahat ng section ng buhok nyo. So, get a small section. Huwag masyadong makapal, guys, para mas maganda yung kulot niya. Tapos, clamp, twist, palabas ng buhok nyo or palabas sa frame ng mukha nyo. And then, pull, and then stay for 3 to 5 seconds before you release it. Okay? And pag malapit na kayo doon sa frame ng mukha nyo, yan, sa mga bangs nyo, again, brush it forward and paplansyahin nyo siya paharap para magkaroon siya ng volume. Look at what I'm doing here and see yung effect niya after. Oh, look at that volume. Oh, diba? Pak! Let's move on to the final retouch. So, you're gonna need a brush for this. Susuklayin nyo lang yung curls ng buhok nyo para magmukha siyang natural wave. Then, set it with a hairspray. I'm using here the Dove hairspray. Ang ganda nito kasi just sobrang tigas. Siya ang bango niya. And lastly, ayan, kung meron kayong mga baby hairs, i-frame nyo yan paharap para mas magmukhang maliit yung mukha nyo. Tapos, yung mga tutsyang yan, ibaba lang natin para hindi sila naghuhumiyaw.
So now that you know how to do your own hair, you don't have to go to a salon just, to be beautiful. So ang kailangan mo lang talaga is mag-invest in a good hair tool. And itong Philips na to, sobrang good investment for me. Nabili ko siya around 5,000 pesos. Pero kapag naka-sale siya, nasa 3,000 pesos lang. So magabang kayo ng sale niya. I'm not sure if I can still find the link for this product, but I'll try to link it down below. Some tips, bago kayo magplansya, of course, maglagay kayo ng hair protect. Naglagay ako nitong Vitres Hair Cuticle Oil before ako nagplansya ng buhok, which hindi na napakita sa video, but that's what I do. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to, and if meron, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel to show your support. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!